Hello friend, in this video we are going to discuss about the greedy method and point from the greedy method, that is the knapsack problem. The first method, greedy by weight, and second method, greedy by profit, we are discussing in last video. The third method we are going to discuss in that session is greedy by density. Let's see the example. Find solution of knapsack problem by greedy by density. Here given n is equal to 7, m is equal to 23, and the profit P1 to P7 and according their values. Weight W1 to W7 and according their values. First we calculate the ratio, that is Pi divided by Wi. Then we calculate ratio Pi divided by Wi one by one and give the calculation. In greedy by density method, we can arrange that ratio in decreasing order. So we can arrange the ratio in decreasing order, that is largest value to smallest value. Then draw the table. Here I is nothing but the serial number 1 to 7, because here given value n is equal to 7. Then we first note down here the ratio, because in greedy by density first we can arrange the ratio in decreasing order. We note down here the ratio in decreasing order: 3.5, then 3.1, then 3, then 2.3, then 2.2, then 2, then 1.25. Here the 3.5, the profit is 7 and weight is 2. So according the weight and profit, here note down the 3.1, the profit is weight. 3.1 ratio has profit is 19 and weight is 6. So 19, 6, note down here. The 3 ratio 3 has profit 15 and weight is 5. So 2.3 here profit is 7 and weight is 3. So note down here the ratio 2.2 has profit 11 and weight is 5. Here ratio 2 has profit is 2 and weight is 1. Here ratio 1.25, the profit is 5 and weight is 4. Here the in fourth column we can calculate the available weight. The available weight formula of U is equal to M minus Wi. Here value of M is 23. So 23 minus Wi. So first value W1 is 2. So 23 minus 2 is 21. Here weight is positive, so value of Xi note down is 1. The available weight is 21. In 21 minus W2 is 6. So value is 15. So weight is positive. So value of Xi is 1. So in third row available weight is 15. So 15 minus W3 is 5. So value is a 10. Xi is 1 because weight is positive. Available weight is 10. 10 minus W4 is 3. So value is 7. Weight is positive. So value of Xi is 1. Available weight is 7. So 7 minus W5 is 5. So U is 2, means available weight is 2. Weight is positive. So value of Xi is 1. Then available weight is 2 minus W6 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Value is positive. So value of Xi is 1. In last row the available weight is 1. So 1 minus here 4 minus 3. Weight is never negative. In that case we can note down here 0. Available weight is 0 and calculate Xi is available weight divided by weight. So 1 divided by 4 is nothing but the 0.25. In last column we can calculate the profit Pi into Xi. So Pi into Xi, here In second column we can calculate PI, and in second last column we can calculate XI. So PI into XI, we can calculate profit. So 7 into 1 is 7, 19 into 1 is 19, so 15 into 1 is 15, 7 into 1 is 7, 11 into 1 is 11, 2 into 1 is 2, and 5 into 0.25 is 1.25. In last we can calculate the total profit. Total profit is calculated. Formula is summation I is equal to 1 to n PI into XI. In last column we calculate PI into XI. The summation of PI into XI, we have given total profit. So summation I is equal to 1 to 7, because value of n is equal to 7. So 7 plus 19 plus 15 plus 7 plus 11 plus 2 plus 1.25. The summation of that is 62.25. Thank you.